Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mina Mikhail, Mikhail Family Chiropractic. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel and thank you for watching us from Facebook. Today we have Mark, he's one of our patients. He's going to help us show you guys how we do an adjustment. Mark has been examined and this is part of his treatment plan. So today we're just showing the adjustments. We're going to adjust his mid-back and we're going to be adjusting his lower back and also the sacroiliac joints. Let's start, Mark.
Yes.
All right. Go ahead and lay on your back. And bend your knees. Move down just a little bit. Again, Mark has been examined and diagnosed, and this is just part of his treatments that we're doing the adjustments, chiropractic adjustments. Look to your right, take a deep breath, let it all the way out. Good. One more. And another one. And last one here. Lift up your head, breathe out. Any of that hurt?
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you.
All right. Move to your right side, face me.
Okay.
I'm gonna lift up the headpiece just a bit. All right, move closer to me. Move your pelvis closer. All right, put your head in the middle here. All right, this is the part where you're gonna help. You remember?
Yeah.
All right. So lock my arm.
Okay.
Bend this leg.
Okay.
Keep the lower one straight. Good. And lift up. Very good. Okay?
Yes, I'm good. Yeah.
All right. Face me again. One more.
One more.
This one. Just put your hand here. Move your pelvis closer to me. This. Perfect. Bend this leg. Relax the shoulder. Good. Now turn to the other side. Right, move closer to me. So for the best view, we're gonna move you guys here so you can see the pelvis. Relax. Good. Perfect. All right, come on up. How's that?
Oh, was good.
Good. All right. Thank you guys for watching us from our YouTube or from Facebook. If you're watching us from YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe to watch the latest of our videos. And if you're watching us from Facebook, don't forget to like, share, and leave us a comment in the comment section. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.